After a difficult year of teaching, Hampton Road's school divisions are hiring for next year. Some report more teacher and staff vacancies than usual, saying the stress of the pandemic school year contributed to more retirements and fewer applicants.
Investigative reporter Evan Watson talked with teachers about those challenges and breaks down the numbers of school job openings.
You know, reflecting across the past 2 years, I don't think anyone could have prepared for it.
Ashlyn Hadley teaches a class of third graders at Windsor Woods Elementary in Virginia Beach. The year started with virtual learning, and then students returned to school with COVID-19 guidelines, masks, dividers, and other requirements. Hadley says nothing prepared teachers for this.
I can't even lie, it was hard, but it wasn't just hard for the teachers, it's also hard for the kiddos. They had so many challenges in such crucial stages of their development.
A series of curveballs.
This school year has just been a totally different ballgame. I think that's a lot for any person to handle.
That stress leads to job openings at the public school level. Hampton, Newport News, and Portsmouth school officials report higher than usual vacancies for the upcoming school year. There are hundreds of open positions for teachers, bus drivers, food service, and support staff members. Portsmouth Public Schools officials say increased retirements and a reduced number of qualified teaching applicants are major factors.
It doesn't surprise me because it is, stressful. And just a lot of it is, I think, the uncertainty, like what is next year going to bring.
Holly Heckman, a first-year teacher, took over for another teacher who left in October.
She just didn't want to do the virtual. It was a lot of stress for her, and she wanted to switch to something else.
Heckman says teaching virtually has been a challenge. Burnout is a concern, and she's not surprised that some teachers and school staff members are looking elsewhere.
If they are ready to retire and they are, kind of close to that anyways, they're just like, I might as well go, because this is just getting too much for me.
But Norfolk and Chesapeake school administrators say they're planning to hire a normal number of new teachers. Virginia Beach administrators say teacher vacancies are typical, but the school division has more bus driver and custodian vacancies than usual.
I think we've gotten through the worst part, and I'm hoping that it's only going to get better.
Hadley says she's received a ton of support this year from school administration and other teachers at her grade level. She says a lot of teachers are exhausted, but she and others are preparing for summer school to help fill education gaps that were created during the pandemic.
I know teachers are going to keep giving it everything that they've got.
Evan Watson reporting for 13 News Now.
Hampton City Schools administrators told 13 News Now the pandemic has played a role with fewer teaching candidates seeking jobs due to family responsibilities and health-related concerns.
We have more numbers and data on school vacancies on our website, 13newsnow.com. If there is something you want Evan to look into, just let him know. Email investigate@13newsnow.com.